Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing very well. So I'm back again with another video, myself Arun, and today in this video I'm discussing about the inventory management spreadsheet automation that I created using Google Sheet. So basically this sheet is an automated solution of inventory management spreadsheet system which tracks the inventory history and it adds the inventory item and update the inventory item and tracks the all inventory history of inventory in, inventory out. So overall, we have 5 sheets here. First, this sheet provides us the invoicing printing. So if we click on print button, then this invoice template, which is having a logo and then our address, this is our address. And then this one is the invoice for. This is having the formulas and it's capturing the values from here in this sheet. So first, whatever the invoice that we are printing, we just need to mention the address name here in this format. And once we put the details over here, then this details will automatically get captured. There is no need to do anything here. So this one is our invoice template. This one is our logo. We can change it. It may be customized logo. And then this one is our item sheet. So basically this is our inventory sheet. And these items are coming over here from add new inventory item. So currently I have set item name, quantity, and unit price. So there are three uh, fields, but maybe in your case, if you need some customizations, I can do that. That's fine. Or maybe we can simply put all the items over here. And this inventory sheet manages the history over here. So if I add some items over here, so it will be counted as inventory in, and we have a date and time, then item name and quantity. So these three will be captured here as well. Now, let's say I want to add item one for quantity. Let's say three quantities for item one and five quantities for item two. So I'm just simply I'm changing this drop down to add, and I will get a message over here. Item added into the invoice successfully. And if we can see here, total quantity is currently 45. But whenever I'm clicking OK, it changes to 42 because 3 has been deducted from our inventory. So now I'm going back to the invoice. This is item 1, quantity 3, unit price, and total price. So this is the total. Now let's suppose I want to add some more items over here. So I want to add item number 2, item quantity, let's say 10. I'm just adding 10 here and I'm adding to the invoice. Now my current total quantity is 145. So 145 minus 10 would be 135. I'm clicking on OK and it changes to 135 now. And if I'm going back to the here, this total invoice template is automatically gets updated. And to get the print out of it, it has following features. When I click on this print button, it will send the email to the particular person. It will draft an email and the PDF invoice. So we will get a PDF invoice and an email and same transactions which we have pulled, just like 2 items we have here. So they will be moving out into the inventory history sheet. So let me just take out of the printout here. PDF created, inventory updated, Gmail draft ready, and invoice logged. So Once I have click on pin button, I have draft ready, which is automatically gets created. And this one is our email template. Now, whoever the customer is, we just mention their name over here, their email address, and subject we can change later on. Right now, I have done this like your invoice, today's date and time. Attaches the invoice generated at this one, and this one is our invoice. Let me share you how it will look like. So this is our current invoice. We have a logo, then these two items and the total. We can make some changes over here as well. So we may provide us our business notes, and if we think we need to make some more changes over here, so we can do it by maybe changing some footer or something like. So this is only for illustration purposes. Now I'm going back to the sheet. Now I'm going to the inventory history. So today is 8th of October, and we can see here item number 1 and item number 2 are automatically get captured and tracked as inventory out. So we have two items, item number 1 and item number 2, uh, marked as inventory out for quantity 3 and 10, and same has been delivered to the customer. So this is how it get worked, and this is a one-time activity, and it's fully automated inventory management spreadsheet. So if you want this customizations or anything, if you think you would like to make changes in here according to your business requirements, you can just reach me out over my email address. This is my email address. This is my email address, and I'm sharing my mobile number as well. So you just need to make sure +91. It's an Indian number. So 91 plus 91 735718637 and my email address arunkumar9896@gmail.com. So once I get an email address or a WhatsApp message request, you can just reach me out over WhatsApp also. I'm available on WhatsApp from this number. So once I get your request, we can make a call or Google Meet or a Zoom call. And if you need some more enhancements in this invoice tracker, I will be welcoming your enhancements, and we can further move from that one. So I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching this video, and have a great day. Take care. Bye.